Video, I will show you an application that I developed in Node.js Express, which will allow you to download bulk Instagram and Twitter posts directly. You can actually download 1,000 plus posts with a single application. There is no limit to it. So I built out this application from scratch. It's an automated downloader for Instagram and Twitter. So this application directly runs in the browser. This is actually the directory structure. It's a full stack application. It's developed in Node.js Express. All the files are customizable. You can customize each file to add more features on top of this application. It's developed in Express, Node.js Express, as you can just see right here. We are running this application on localhost. So the thing about this application, you basically go to Instagram, whatever post you want to download, you just plug the URL and instantly the processing will directly happen in the browser and the video will display in the video player and you see this download button. So this will save you a lot of time. You can take any video. Let me take this video for example. So again, the process is simple. It will fetch the video. You can play this and download this. Same goes with images as well. So in a matter of seconds, you can download a thousands of profile posts from Instagram. So it will save you a lot of time. So you can purchase this script. I have given the link in the description. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. Same goes with Twitter as well. You again copy link address, paste it. This will actually download the video for you. So you can play this video. So this will actually automate the downloading from profile pictures from Instagram and Twitter. This will save you a lot of time. If you face any sort of problem in running this application, you can contact me after payment at my email address. So definitely purchase it if you like this. So it will save you a lot of time. So we are using Express Node Fetch. It's a very simple application. You will once you get the source code, you will definitely understand the code.